In this video we're going to show you how to remove the high level brake light from a Seat Leon Mk3. That's years 2013 to 2019. Tools you'll need for the job: a trim removal tool set with a range of different trim removal tools and a small flat-headed screwdriver. Now we need to start along the top edge of the light using a flat, wide trim tool like that one. You have got to be very gentle because the lens is brittle. So what you want to do is just go in at the top, anywhere where you think there's a little bit of a gap. Just go in straight and just start to slowly pry it apart there, and you'll see it'll just pop out. It'll work your way along. Do be very careful and try and start at one end like that. Once one end pops out, just shove another trim tool in the gap, just like that, just to stop it closing up as you work your way along. Just keep the smallest amount of pressure on it. So you want to push it down, just gently pry it out. It does sound like it's breaking half the time, but it is coming out. So now you can just see along the top edge there that there is a gap all the way along. You can just see it's sort of flapping about a little bit loose there. Now there are clips on the bottom, but these are metal clips on the bottom. What you want to do is again start at one end, just get your trim tool in and just gently fold the front down as much as it'll go, and then just start to pry it out gently just at the edge. There, you just felt it go then just at one edge, so now you want to pull that out. Does get a bit easier once you get the first clip out on the bottom. Now you can sort of see that's loose at one side but still in up here. So you pull one side out far enough, you can just start to pull it along and it'll pop out like that. But you have to get one side far enough out so you can get the edge of the lens over the lip. Then you want to pull that out. You've got a connection for the electrics and a connection for the water pipe. So that one there is a C-clip. Pop that off. Doesn't have to go all the way off, and then you can wiggle that off. And then on the electrics there, you want to move the clear plastic part up and lift it over the tab. And as you do that, just gently pull the wire in and that's removed out. Now you can see along here, this was the top. So these were the parts that we were getting over the lip first, these small plastic tabs that you heard like making a cracking sound as they come out. So you need to get all those across the lip, and then on the bottom there, they're the spring clips. There is a bit of giving though, so you can just gently work those out while pushing on them. And that's it removed.